welcome back to my channel. On today's video, guys, we will be reviewing a lipstick. So as you guys can see, I have a little bit of makeup on. Yes, wow, a little bit. Today, we will be reviewing this Maybelline Superstay Ink Crayon. We love the Maybelline Superstay Matte Ink. You guys, I am obsessed with this because this thing lasts pretty much the whole day and it's so hard to take them off. So that's why people love this lipstick right here. So today, let's put this on a test. I'm going to run some errands and I'm going to eat, I'm going to drink. I got this from Walmart, but I think Target has a different pricing. I've seen, I think $7.99. It's a little bit cheaper from Walmart. I don't know why. Anyways, let's just go ahead and read the claim. So they said that get up to 8-hour matte lip color that glides on crayon easy. Draw it on and bring it on all day. Our first lip crayon with lasting ink technology glides a rich layer of matte color across the lips with effortless control that lasts up to 8 hours. Keep the tip ultra precise with a built-in sharpener. Ooh, I see that. So you can easily apply your lip color no matter where your day takes you. A smudge and transfer resistant. There's never been such an effortless lip color for Maybelline. Okay, Maybelline. Now let's go ahead and try this. And I'm gonna list these colors in the description box down below. I got the shade in Make It Happen in number 55, but I'm not using this. This is too bold. Not today. And today I will be wearing this Enjoy the View. We're gonna apply this today and let's see this 8 hours lip thingy going on. So I'm saying, so this is a sharpener, you guys. So you can always have this precise like tip of this lipstick or lip crayon, whatever you call this. Ooh, nice. So this is how it looks like, you guys. Very precise tip. Let's just go ahead and apply this. I already used my lip scrub from Clinique and moisturized my lips para it glides really easy. The claim said that this lipstick will glide really good. So let's go ahead and do this. I'm going to start at the top here, so guys, as you can see.
Baby, don't touch me. It's crazy. You've lost it. Oh baby, stop calling me dumb, dumb, dumb. It's none.
And you guys know my favorite concealer is Maybelline.
When did you quit?
Lumampas na naman itong mga lipstick ko. Ano yan? So I'm gonna fill this in. Well, kanina ko pa siya na-filled in, pero gusto ko lang balik-balikan kasi ang sarap sa lips. It feels really good in the lips. It doesn't look like matte to me. It feels like hydrating lip balm. Let me just go ahead and clean my lips and let's talk about this product right here because I see you, Maybelline. Yan, okay, so try to check if this thing says matte. Yeah, it says matte, but it's a rich layer of matte. When you apply this lipstick, it feels like lip balm. Like what I'm saying, it's very light, it's very handy. The thing that it comes with this sharpener, that's really smart. This lipstick right here is heavier than this one. It's so rich. It did not really transfer in my teeth. When you try lipstick, especially liquid, as soon as you smile, you have a lipstick right there. It is easy to apply, it's easy to use, which is, I like it. I'm loving this one, so I'm gonna wear this. We're gonna put this baby in a test. I'm not doing any touch-up, you know, I'm gonna eat, I'm gonna drink, I'm gonna do this kind of stuff. And I'm gonna get back to you guys and let's see how this lipstick holds. It says it's 8 hours and we all know that this lipstick right here is hard to come off and it stays really, really long. So I hope this one too, but you know, who knows? But we'll see, you know. And I'm gonna give you guys an update as well for this. And I'll be back to you guys. I'll see you guys later. I'm going to put this on a test. Our lipstick from Maybelline. Pues, yan. We're gonna drink water. We're gonna eat rice. We'll see if this lipstick will stay. So, quick update. It's still here. Yan, lumalaban pa rin ang lipstick ng Maybelline. So, let's go. So, I got my food. Let's put this lipstick on a test. Update. After half pound of shrimp, half pound of mussel. This is the lipstick looks like. Natanggal man siya, te, oy! Sunog Smudge. It says it's transfer free, but it transfer here. I took the hand sanitizer from the gimatet friend. That was the best to test out this lipstick. I'm gonna give you guys later my final verdict or my final thought. So yeah, I'll see you again later. Bye bye. Hi everybody, and I'm back, and let's just go ahead and give you the final thought for this Maybelline Superstay Ink Crayon. So, as you guys can see earlier when I ate my lunch at Juicy Crab, it did not really stay. The longevity of this one is not great as this one right here. It just didn't stay. But the way it wears, the way it feels in my lips is good. It feels really good. This thing dried my lips, but this one isn't. It's not great. It's not bad either. Maybe I was expecting too much. So, you know what I'm saying? So, don't expect too much from this. The price is good. It's not drying. It's not like chipping my lips. It's good. So, yeah, the downside is not just long wearing as what it's supposed to do. Like, you know what I'm saying? So, overall, you guys, it's still positive. I really like it. I can just keep retouching if I wanted to, because I really like the feeling of it. It's just like soft, rich, matte. So that's what I like. And it's really easy to apply. It glides really, really well. So yeah. So that's it for this video, guys. I hope you like it. And if you do like this video, please, please, please show me some love. Give me some like. And don't forget to subscribe. And don't forget to subscribe. And let's be friends, because why not? And I'll see you again in my next video. Bye-bye.
I just wanna dance.